not me. I'm just assembling. Alright, so start off the screws. Screw the tip into the red probe end. Yep, remove the collar from the tip, slip the red end into the probe body, making sure that the wire comes through the hole in the tip. Yep, so silver Teflon wires, really primo for doing this. And that's gonna, the wire's gonna rotate, so it's not gonna, if it would have been secure, like if it couldn't rotate, I would have pre-spun it in the opposite direction, but I don't have to do that with this. So it's just gonna rotate around, so it's not gonna twist the wire. That's on. Okay. Wrap the wire around the probe tip and replace the collar. Okay, so I guess just gonna, I see, sort of, yeah, see it in there. It's a little chamfer on the inside of that, so it's going to compress the edge of the wire. So if I just wrap it around, then as I compress that, it's just going to crush the wire evenly. There she goes. I guess in theory.
I don't know.
There we go. It's assembled. You got a probe. I'll make up a label for that.
Label correct.